All right, hello everybody. Welcome to the trade recap. We took 2 trades on stream today, and I'll dive into the trades taken. So, starting with the 4-hour gap here, if you look on the 4-hour time frame, price tapped into this 4-hour gap, swept this low here, and we're beginning to reject it to this point. On the 1 hour, I came and said, okay, let me look for additional confirmations. In this 1 hour gap here, we were respecting it off this sweep. I said, okay, we are respecting these gaps here. And there are highs here that I think price can tap into. And when I go to the 15-minute, it'll make it much clearer. We have highs here, lots of generated liquidity here that I think price can definitely come tap into. We have this 1 minute equal highs right here. If you look right here to this point, we had 1 minute equal highs right here that looked attractive to me alongside all these 50-minute highs here. And so on the 4 hour and 1 hour, we were still looking for potential moves to these draws here to the upside. Now, I was taking into account that we were starting to make moves to the downside. This 1 hour bearish gap is being respected, so I was looking for a move to these targets, but aware that there was a potential move to the downside that could come. And so heading into market open, you can see price accumulated a lot here. And so I was waiting to see if we could get a move to these highs here. These are the highs I was talking about, 845. And so as you can see, what price does is we come and sweep these lows here. And so what is the basis of this trade right here? Well, if you look, this is where we accumulated, we manipulated the range lows, and now I wanted to see a distribution. Partials at the range high, then these highs here as well, relative equal highs all here, and then these equal highs as my target there. And so this is a classic PO3 move in the direction of the draws that I wanted to see price tap into. And so getting the entry there, we tapped into internal liquidity here. There's the range high, partials taken there. And then we tapped into this take profit 2, partials taken there, move stops to break even here. And so this was a profitable trade here. So I wanted to see these equal highs. That was my main target. Got some partials here. And then price came and stopped us out at break even. So we went break even here. I said, okay, good profits there. I said, 10 a.m. news dropped. I will look and see if we get another setup, if we get the moves I'm looking for, if we get the confirmations. And so price came, 10 a.m. news, red folder, data low tapped. We have data high here. Equal highs formed here with this news. We didn't take these highs here, so we had data high aligned with 1 minute equal highs here, aligned with 1 minute equal highs here. Okay, perfect setup. These are the draws. I said we are definitely going to go here at some point. It's about finding the proper entry. No setup here was worth taking. Didn't like what I was looking for. We came and got an internal sweep. Data low, internal sweep here tapped, and we have a potential breaker forming here. This is an optimal entry for me. And then as you can see, I went a little bit quick here, but price comes, validates this breaker here. We enter off right here. That was our entry. Price expands to the upside. Data high, 1 minute equal highs here, 1 minute equal highs above. That was the entry right there. Data high tapped, and we caught a full take profit right here. So around 35 points there, and around 34 points there. 2 decent trades, very good profits here, very good profits there. 2 for 2 on the day, using 1 PO3 here, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, partials taken, and then the data news, data low swept, breaker formation, internal sweep, data high above, 1 minute equal highs in alignment with those data highs. Very nice move to the upside. That is what we caught. And so there's the 2 trades taken, 2 for 2 on the day. Very nice moves called live with the group. So I hope you gained some insight out of this. I hope you learned a little bit of how I view the markets. And take care, everybody. We'll see you in the future videos.